you know.
So for those who getting off the train, make sure you leave it here.
Today's program is sponsored by Scepter.
They're gone places. Are you? I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the one I used to know.
What time is it?
Showtime.
Watch him go to work.
Watch him go to work.
Watch him go to work.
Oh my God.
Watch him go to work.
Let's go.
Watch him go to work.
Let's go.
When I'm moving train. Watch him go to work. Watch him go to work.
Watch him, watch him.
Watch him go to work.
Watch him, watch him.
Watch him go to work.
Watch him, watch him.
Watch him go to work.
Watch him, watch him.
Watch him go to work.
Let's go.
Watch him go to work.
Let's go.
Watch him go to work.
Let's go.
Watch him go to work.
Oh my God.
Watch him go to work.
Let's go.
Watch him go to work.
Let's go.
Watch him go to work.
Oh my.
Watch him go to work.
Let's go.
Watch him go to work.
Watch him go to work.
Watch him go to work.
Let's go to work.
Watch him go to work.
Watch him, watch him.
Watch him go to work.
Oh my God.
Watch him go to work. Watch him go to work. Roll him, roll your boat. Take it down the train. Make some noise.
Hey guys, wait, there's more.
There's more.
Give us
More money.
Hey guys, for those who do have, we
Keyword.
can show you love and support with a donation.
Donation.
All donations are greatly appreciated.
These donations keep us off the streets.
And out of your home.
Take it away, Todd.
For those who don't have the cash exchange form, we also set debit and credit. Food stamps, coupons. Indian, Chinese, Japanese, Jamaican, Puerto Rican, black people, IOUs, or $5.
And white people, $20.
Hey, if you're light skinned, you count as white.
So I guess that's you, baby.
Hey guys, I think she's the only one that followed the rules.
Hey!
Hey, no matter your ethnicity, no matter your color nor creed,
All donations are greatly appreciated.
no donation is too small.
These donations keep out of 3 places.
Right.
The jailhouse.
Uno, the poorhouse,
No.
and your house.
Right. Your house. That's our show, but now you have a say.
And wonderful day.
Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Google, Instagram at Project. Sponsored by
Scepter. They're gone places. Are you?
Keyword, ladies and
You like
gentlemen.
that?
Thank you for your love and support. Keyword. Live for the 215 this was
Project Positive.
You can follow us on Instagram at
Project Positive.
Before we go, is there anyone else feeling guilty?
No. You gotta tell them like this. Take a look at your watch, ladies and gentlemen, because it's never too late
To donate.
Y'all like that?
Anyone have an iPhone?
Y'all like that pickup line by Scepter? I made it myself.
Anybody have an iPhone? Just raise your hand. Anybody? You do? Okay. You're not gonna steal it. Thank you. Y'all iPhone, just raise your hand.
She got an iPhone.
Oh! I got a
Cricket and you know it. Don't bring no iPhone around me. I got a Cricket and you know it. It's all unlimited around me. Just hold on, I gotta call.